Good morning, guys. Greeting from the UnlockCodeTechnology. In this tutorial, we have shared the hiring of HotPoint for digital marketing. So let's begin. The company name is HotPoints. They are hiring for digital marketing, creating Google ads, Facebook's ad, TikTok ads. The given description is create, launch, and optimize and campaigns. Who have experience related to this requirement with need the within with 6 month minimum is 6 month experience. So kindly send the mail to given mail hotpoint.digitalmarketing@gmail.com. Kindly check and search by Google, and after have the skills related this, so please share our resume to given mail. Thank you for given time and watching.